Welcome back to computer science. What did we learn about yesterday? I got a new phone case, and so I got a new phone. So there we go. That's a perfect stand. What did we learn about yesterday? Something about lists, something about list methods, something about list functions. Oh, we started a new lecture. Lists, list methods, list slicing. No, not list slicing. What would it be then? What would it be then? What would it be then? Something about list methods. What methods? We already talked about the methods. Oh, something's coming back a little bit. I don't think we even took really many notes. What is it? Iterating through a list, right? Using for loops to iterate through a list. All right. What else was there? If you attempt to access an index that's outside of the range, it will produce a runtime error, an index error. Golly, what else? Enumerate will basically return both the list both the index and the value. Okay, that's it from iterating over a list yesterday. List methods, nesting, and slicing. I'm gonna jump back in, continue learning, and I'll be back to recall what I learned in a little bit. This is also the last day of week 12, and it will be an abbreviated session to put me at 6 hours for this week, so be back in a second. Wrapping up week 12 here. We learned about built-in functions in Python that iterate through the list. So what do we got? We got all, and then within parentheses list, which returns true if every element is true, meaning it doesn't equal 0, or if the list is empty. Any, I believe, returns true if any element in a list is true, aka not equal to 0. Sum will return the sum of the list. Max will return the maximum of the list, maximum element. Min will return the minimum element. All, did I say all? All, any, max, min, sum. That's it. So that's it for week 12. Talk to you tomorrow, week 13. See you.